Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka sarkar jilla shen kan sashim ya karai lakan khangno ya ki school bat ye ki wei ki slempuli halor ka jingyai Kiew jong ki breu ki bayabit ye ka jingpang covid khat khandai ha ka jilla haba ye kren bat kelat pathai khubor kusambut menteri rangba jong ka jilla uba Prestone tensong uli tho ba ka sarkar kan sashong jingelang ha ka khat sautrik lani ha ka khat santrik ubna ya yong 8000 arpuwei khnang ban ya theria tai sani bha bat ki bor badai pet jong katnat ka koi ka khia hadin balayo ya ka kaipot na katnat puli puthi ka sarkar jilla.
We don't have any thought in bringing back lockdown in the state. We don't have. Okay, and I'm sure the restriction that we issued from that time to time will help the citizens of the state by maintaining and by following, adhering these restrictions issued by the government from time to time, and by doing that, I'm sure we will be able to contain the spread of the COVID-19. Now, since we issued these restrictions, I would urge to every concerned citizen of the state. You knew well, if you go to Baraj Bazaar, to Yodu, if you go to Yodu means you know it's crowded, or be it Police Bazaar. So as a responsible citizen of the state, I think we need to understand one thing by avoiding going to a crowded place. Because see, if we reduce it to 50% or 70% or 40% to Police Bazaar or to Bara Bazaar, I think you understand. So what will be the effect after that? The effect means our own people will have very tough time. They will have a very tough time. That's why we said we issue restriction individually. We issue restriction, yes, like in this public gathering, be it in the church, be it anywhere. Yes, this one we said we decrease it to 50%. So if you say we reduce it 50%, Yaudu or Police Bazaar, as I said to you, it is not so feasible at the moment. That's why by issuing this restriction, I hope the citizens of the state will cooperate with the government, and number two, they will take care themselves wherever they go, be it in Police Bazaar, be it in Yodu. They need to take care of themselves to make sure to avoid going to these places which is full crowd. But ka school, kabadai kamtam ia ki kanarit ki balik school ia kani ngindang shong meeting, ngin shong review meeting. Most likely, let's say, la analysis ni ngindang shong meeting nang taka sarkar kan sashim karai hadin minglayo ek feedback na po ka education department block away. And then we will take a final decision on this. And number two, the previous notification we issued as far as education department is concerned, in fact we left it to the wisdom of the concerned management authority of each institution, of each schools, because quite a number of these schools, what they did, instead of having a full capacity school, what they do is they reduce to 50%. Some of them they reduce to 25%. But in spite of doing that, it seems the cases keep increasing. So therefore, government is open to review again about the opening of these schools. As I said to you, this will be only done. Decision will only be done when we get all the details, input from the education department. Now, the search is still controllable, unlike other states like Maharashtra or Kerala or Karnataka or Chandigarh, Punjab, and other states. Still in Meghalaya, we are still okay, still manageable, still controllable, no doubt about it, but still we don't take chance. Therefore, I've already told you that we will again take a call on this issue when we have a review meeting very soon. If not tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, we sitting down, and then that again, as I said to you, we have to get the detailed input from education department. Then government will take a call on that. Government kalau saya kedar bah lockdown kan deka last resort bomban sesu. Nilai kumba kalau ni menta nakadaw ni penmi kini restriction ki notification nakapor kalau bang ngim kwa ban ai lockdown namar ki pajba kila jenjar kila sitom barok bat baduk bat baruspa nilai jenjar nilai sitom palat tiga government ni ka main jongi naga government kalau very clear ba yak lockdown kalau ka last resort nilai ngim kwa ban ong bagin ai lockdown ten nilai yakata ko mo api kasyong ru haki pajba marui kumno bakin take care di kumno bakin sumaril di nakda ko mo api ni penmi ya kaneka restriction ka notification nakapor bat na krimen skemu da ki jing stay lang jong way pakaway kinong sok snong jong jela jongi bangila ban control ya ka jing Kiew jong kaneka kijang jingpang hapok ajela jongi sa sisit pa bat ka banga kerpat nakalem jong ka surga ko makin sngoba ban kit kli dala DLD namar kumbang pi ngimkwa ban wan biang ke lockdown ten rei Lada jia bomban sesu kata kaya da kumoi pat ten rei kumo pi ngakerben scan lembah kan ke restriction ke bingi ai na kawai kapor na kawai kasni da ke jirte lang bat ki wei ban wei pa wei ki nong snong ha bijala ngakerben scan magila bat contain ngila ban penhiar ya ki positive cases ki babi man kasni